Hey everybody, welcome to the Resto-Rob channel. Today let's go over some of my screwdriver collections and show you some of the things I've got. So sit back, relax, and check out these interesting things. Wait to the end to see a special item. So in a recent tool haul video I showed you these screwdrivers. Here's a clutch drive, this X-Lite, and the spiral twist. Well, I wanted to show you how these fit into my collection, so check this out. So here are my twisty screwdrivers that I have. I'm not quite sure who made these, but I always thought they were kind of cool. At different sizes. Different kinds. Here's a Phillips. So, yeah, I'm not sure who made these, where they came from, but I always thought they were really cool. A couple of minis. I just found them interesting in the latest edition. So, with that being said, I'm going to bring out this one. This is actually a Stanley Scripto Grip. I'll show you an advertisement. But yeah, I would love to find some more of these Stanley Scriptos, in addition to these spirals. So, yeah, this is that. So for our Ace Hardware, here is another clutch drive. I would love to find some old stock clutch drive screws. I know that they were popular. I know that a lot of different companies made them, so obviously they had to be pretty popular. Here's another clutch drive. Flat blade. Another flat blade. A Phillips. A longer flat blade. This flat blade. Phillips. I just always thought that design was really cool. Phillips. That's more of a number 3. Number 2, chrome vanadium. One more flat blade. Here's Phillips. Flat blade. Here's a variety of Phillips stubbies. And 2 more little Phillips, number 1s. So that's my Ace screwdrivers. So wanted to show you, seeing as how we were talking about these interchangeable, I keep my pocket socket collection with that. So this one, it's hard to read, but it's a 5/16. I can't even make that out. Can't make that one out. And 3/16. Pocket sockets. And then these 2 are pieces and parts. Yeah, you could see that it's been boogered over time. But here is one that's in working condition, which is 5/16 by 1/4 inch. So that's 5/16. That'll be a 1/4 inch. And then you roll it over, and then this will be a 7/16, and you got a 3/8. Pocket sockets. And then I think this is an Exolite with 1/4 inch, and the little blade. So, tell me what you guys think. Well, hopefully you waited to the end and saw my pocket sockets. That's going to be funny at work. I'll take them in, and obviously you can see the hilarity as it already unfolds. So, what did you guys like the best out of my collection? Eventually, I'll probably get more. I'm always on the hunt for the bizarre, kind of off-brand, weird things. So, as always, stay safe, and we will check you later.